Hello everyone, I am Reza and welcome to brand new tutorial on PL SQL while statement. Let's see another example of while loop. So and here we can see the while condition and it is checked first and the increment value and this is the loop statement. So if we execute this one, here we can see the result 1 to 10. So here we don't need to condition check the condition in another section. Just if we check the condition after while statement. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.